Did you know that native English speakers use over 10,000 phrasal verbs every single day? That's right. These little phrases can make or break your communication skills, especially when you're out shopping. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important, shopping phrasal verbs. If you want to sound natural and confident while shopping in English, mastering these phrases is a must. Trust me, they'll make your life a whole lot easier. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the challenges you might face when learning phrasal verbs. First off, they can be really tricky. There are so many of them, and their meanings aren't always obvious. For instance, what does pick up mean when you're shopping? Does it mean to grab something off a shelf or to collect an item after purchasing? It's confusing, right? Plus, they're often used in casual conversations, so if you're not familiar with them, you might miss out on what people are saying. That's why many learners feel lost in shopping scenarios and miss opportunities to communicate effectively. And let's be real, no one wants to feel awkward while trying to buy something. So, understanding these phrasal verbs is essential. Exploration/development. Alright, let's uncover some key shopping phrasal verbs. First up, try on. This one is super common. When you say, I want to try this dress on, you're saying you want to see how it looks on you. Easy, right? Next, we have pick up. You can use it like this: can you pick up some groceries on your way home? It's a handy way to ask someone to grab something for you. How about check out? When you're at the register, you'll hear, please check out here. It means to pay for your items. Another useful one is put back. Let's say you're unsure about a shirt and decide, I'll put it back. It means you're returning it to the shelf. Lastly, we have look for. If you're searching for a specific item, you might say, I'm looking for a red sweater. These phrases can really come in handy during your shopping trips. Climax/key moment. Now, let's bring this all to life with a real shopping scenario. Imagine you're at a mall, and you find a really cute jacket, but you're not sure if it fits. You go to the fitting room and ask the attendant, can I try this on? After trying it, you realize it's perfect. You take it to the register, and as you're checking out, the cashier says, would you like to pick up a bag? You respond, sure, I'll take one. Finally, as you leave, you spot another jacket that catches your eye, but you already spent enough. So, you decide to put it back and say to yourself, I'll look for it online later. This whole experience flows smoothly thanks to using those phrasal verbs. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, today we've covered some essential shopping phrasal verbs like try on, pick up, check out, put back, and look for. These phrases are key to feeling confident and effective in shopping situations. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it'll become. Call to action, CTA, now it's your turn. I want you to practice using these phrasal verbs in the comments below. Share your own shopping experiences or ask any questions you might have. And don't forget to check out my other English learning videos for more tips and tricks. Happy shopping, everyone!